In Canvas, you've created visuals like collages and vignettes, laid out a floor plan, and even put together furniture specs. But now what? How do you print or export what you've created in your Canvas mood board? Using our frame feature allows you to export and print to PDF. To create a frame, I click on the frame icon at the top toolbar, or I can type F to activate the frame command. When the frame feature is activated, the icon will turn purple. I click on my canvas and draw a frame. I hit escape when I'm done. I select the frame ratio and frame orientation. In this case, 11 by 17 and landscape. Everything I put inside my frame gets grouped together, and they'll move as one. I can still move things within my frame, as well as move things in and out. To export my frame to print, or to use in another presentation program, I select my frame, right-click, and select Export As. The export window will allow you to select your size, which corresponds to the image resolution. The higher the size, the better the resolution, and the larger the file. You can select either PDF, JPEG, or PNG as your download format. If you select PNG, then you can choose to have the downloaded image with a transparent background. Remember to rename your frame, as that's the downloaded file name. Click Download, and you'll have a file that you can print or add to a presentation program like InDesign, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. Check out our Learning Center for more tutorials on using Frame and designing with Knoa. Until next time.